So welcome along to the painting guys, a fabulous copper pot, and Dangerous Dave's the guy to start off with. Just a little bit of clean water, just dropped on very easily, loosely, and a few little gaps in there as well, so just to the flower area. Royal blue now on Dangerous Dave, and just scooting that around the left hand side of the florals to start off with. Notice we're leaving some nice white untouched gaps there. Still with Dangerous Dave, just a little bit of mauve now. And again, dropping this into the liquid area, seeing where it develops, seeing where it takes us, and just gradually building that up. Small dabs as well, just to give that extra with, now we have a little bit of purple. So a darker tone really of our mauve. We'll just keep that to one end. We'll keep that to the right hand side generally, which is the darker side. So Dangerous Dave, a great brush for this, getting all of the paint on, and a very flexible guy. Just like Mini Dave, who's just arrived, he's just got off the bus. Just have a quick cup of tea, and he will be with us with sap green and a Perylene green mix. So just at the top of the copper pot, that's where the leaves are going to be. So just drop that on, and even if the paint is there, just drop it on anyway, because it will naturally mix together and develop its own flavour for the area that we're working on. So Mini Dave, little cousin of Dangerous Dave, so it's part of the loose gang brushes. Do use yours, please use yours and see how you get on. But I've always used the loose gang and the fabulous brushes to allow me to keep loose, so they really are quite essential to, I can't paint with anything else. So if you are interested guys, just drop onto the loosewatercolours.com shop and we can sort you some out over there. A little bit of water on the copper pot there. I call it a meat pot. It used to be, but now it's got flowers in, you know the ones I mean. Cad orange and Indian red mixed together. And again, we'll start on the right hand lighter side and then work across. Just bringing that down in lines to start off with. Slightly changing the angle of the line there, you notice. So we start with a slight angle on the left and then we go the opposite way. And a good little thing there, negatively picking out the handle so we can carry the meat pot about. Yeah. So that's painting round the shape. Little Indian red, repeating the same action by bringing the line straight down. But the whole key to this is get that water on and allow it to flow. If you've not got this sort of flow state within your loose watercolours, then it's going to be painted dry, which leads to detail. Sepia there, just to give a shadow underneath the overhanging florals. We'll pick out the handle as well there. Shows you how versatile little Mini Dave is. He even paints handles. You wouldn't have thought it. Just a little bit of water there just to soften things off. So we don't use paint every time. just gradually introduce that to the paint and let it move about. And you can rearrange the paint as well, i.e. move it about on the paper. So it's not just have to stay exactly where you put it, there's plenty of time to move it about. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Mainly the meat pot for Sunday roast, how's that sound? Purple and sepia mixed together. And we'll just pop into the florals and just give them a little bit of detailing. Perylene green on its own. Again, we're detailing a little bit of the leaf area. That's just brings that together. Once you get going, guys, you will be amazed how simple this can be and how rewarding. It's so rewarding because you just don't know what's around the corner. But if you go with the flow, if you go with the painting, then you'll be surprised and amazed. A little bit of water just under the pot. Just smoothing that out, allowing it to flow. A very weak little tone there, just picked up off the palette, fairly nondescript. Just putting that under the overhang and the front edge of the pot there. Miss Rigger time, the beautiful Miss Rigger with mauve and a little bit of splatter as well. Who'd have thought that? Splatter this time of the day. Well, Miss Rigger. A bit of Perylene green as well, just to suggest that there's little petals falling off from the flowers and the leaves as well. Must be quite a warm kitchen they're keeping it in, or on a windowsill, who knows. Now a few little dots there for the centres of flowers, that's all it is, with a bit of purple. Nothing extravagant, keeping everything simple. And a few more, even putting away the green is as well, so that gives the impression of little flowers there. So don't forget, guys, if you're enjoying this, you want to do more and learn more in this fabulous, easy, rewarding style, just drop on to loosewatercolours.com. We've got over 400, yes, you heard me right, 400 tutorials on there of all subjects, various levels, beginners, intermediates and advanced, all to help you get loose in your watercolour painting. So drop on and have a look, and if it's for you, maybe stay a while and see how you get on. So just finishing touches now, little pockets of darker paint. We only put the dark stuff on towards the end, and this just picks things out, and we just fiddle about a little bit to get our level of looseness. So you've done fantastically well there, guys. Really good of you to drop by. I hope you've enjoyed that. This could make a fabulous present or card for somebody. How does that sound? A little bit of water, and then we're about there. So hope to see you over on loosewatercolours.com very soon. Pop by and subscribe to my channel below. Just click the button. And thanks so much for taking the time. Hope you enjoyed it, and I shall catch you all again very, very soon. Take care.